Now we are going to demo the intrusion detection alarm system. First, we open a web page, log into our account, open the device list in Device Manager, turn on Neuvition LiDAR. In System Configuration under System Admin, we can set whether the alarm is notified by SMS and WeChat. Next, we switch back to the client software. We can see the devices function normally. Next, we set an alarm area. The white box area in the point cloud is the alarm area we set. Then we let the LiDAR run for a while, looking at the alarm effect. We can see when people entering the alarm area, the alarm information will flash on the upper right-hand corner to provide alarm information. This alarm information will be uploaded to the web page. From the alarm list on the web page, you can view the alarm information. This alarm log will be sent to a user in the form of SMS or WeChat message. At this moment, we receive a message from WeChat. You can click on the alarm information to view the alarm details and process the information.